Hi everyone, today we're making delicious fudgy brownies with cocoa powder. Start by lightly oiling your baking dish and line with a strip of parchment paper going in one direction. Lightly oil the top of that paper and place another strip going in the opposite direction. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Melt 1 cup of salted butter and add 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1 cup of brown sugar. Mix vigorously with a whisk until the mixture is smooth and most of the sugar is dissolved. You can also use an electric mixer for this step. If you're using unsalted butter, add 1 teaspoon of salt. Next, sift 1 cup of unsweetened cocoa and 2 teaspoons of vanilla into your sugar and butter mixture. Mix until well combined. Add 3 eggs, one at a time, and mix well. Sift in 1 cup of all-purpose flour and fold until flour is no longer visible. Make sure to scrape the sides. Do not overmix. Add chocolate chips to your mixture. We added 2 cups. Continue folding until combined. Now you're ready to pour into your pan. We're using a 9" by 9". Make sure to spread evenly. Place in oven and bake for 35 to 40 minutes. Once done, remove from oven and allow to cool. Remove from pan and continue cooling if necessary. Once cooled, you are ready to enjoy this delicious fudgy brownie. We hope you enjoyed this video and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Enjoy!